Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese jackfruit soup, or we call it Nangka Mekuah. So let's start. For this recipe, we need 300 grams of chicken with skin and bone, bumbu genep, 5 salam leaf, salt, 1.5 liter of chicken stock, 700 ml of fresh water, and young jackfruit. So let's make it. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this part of the jackfruit. And then cut it into small pieces. And now I'm going to add 700 ml of fresh water. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring it to the boil, and after that we will add this jackfruit and boil for 5 minutes. The water is ready. Now I'm going to put the jackfruit and boil them for 5 minutes. So now it's been 5 minutes and we're going to drain the water. And now we're going to add half cup of bumbu genep. Chicken, five salam leaf, (1.5 liter chicken stock, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Bring to the boil, and after that we're going to simmer for 1 hour. So now the soup is boiling and we're going to put down the heat into medium, and we're going to simmer for 1 hour. See you in 1 hour. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm back. It's been 1 hour. So now let's check the soup. You can see here the chicken and the jackfruit are so tender. So now let's plate it. Here we are, Balinese jackfruit soup. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.